Hi guys.
What's up, yo?
Welcome back to our channel. Oh, I can't see shit. Okay, this is a little bit better. So we are in Pismo and we are going to be recording our vlog. This is kind of our anniversary trip, but it's also our friend's birthday, so we're just gonna celebrate both. So yeah, we're gonna give you a house tour in a little bit of our Airbnb, and yeah. Okay, so this is the outside. This is a cool ass fireplace. It's a little patio, whatever, and then I'll go inside and show you guys everything. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you our room first. This is what it looks like. It's just like a regular room. We're like unpacking our stuff so we can like section it off so we don't have like suitcases everywhere. But yeah. Okay, so this is the entry doorway of the actual house, and this is what you automatically see as you walk in. It's honestly beautiful. And we got this for such a steal.
Yeah.
I love it. And then let's show them the kitchen. Wait, stop doing that. This is the little dining section. And this is a cute little kitchen.
That's the kitchen right there. Dining right there. There's a rooster. His name's Robert.
And then another living room, you guys.
This is another living room. Okay.
Hella nice. What you got there, babe?
Nothing.
And then, like we showed you guys, that's the outside. I'll maybe show you guys our friend's rooms. I don't think so.
Is this one of ours?
That's a blanket.
Ugh.
Yeah, I am the rich.
Yeah,
I mean, you could just tell by the style.
No,
but yeah.
Airbnb.
And then let's show you the bathroom. So if we go back over here, our room is that right to the left. Another friend that came with us, and then our friend that's we're celebrating her birthday. And this is the beautiful ass bathroom. I mean, just look at this marble counters. Hello. Big ass mirror. Towels, toilet. It's one of those good toilets too. And then a shower, and they provided us with shampoo, body wash. This is her room. It's so big. So pretty. I want to see your bathroom. What? Hi guys, so quick little update. I didn't want to vlog today because it was more of a like settling in and like kind of day. We went to the grocery store. We went and got some groceries for like the next couple days, and yeah, we're all kind of doing our own thing right now. I'm in the second living room, this one. I'm doing some homework right now. I'm having some juice and the boys are way over there in the other living room watching like a fight, and my girlfriends are cooking some dinner. Don't worry, I did my part. I helped too. But yeah, now I'm gonna do homework. And then obviously, as you guys can see, we started a fire, made some s'mores, and we just kind of relaxed for the rest of the night. Also, does anybody else just prefer their marshmallows to be like damn near burnt? Everyone thinks I'm weird for it, but I feel like it just adds the best flavor. It needs to be like black.
Huh?
It needs to be black.
I knew it. I knew it.
Dude, shut your ass up. Stop moving the fucking camera. Good morning, guys. Say good morning, babe.
Morning, yo.
So it's the next morning, and we already showered, and we're on the process of like kind of getting ready for the beach. And I'm gonna show you guys our breakfast. So we kind of woke up late.
Yeah.
So our friends made us the breakfast. So we have a special orange juice, and they made French toast. Ooh, special French toast. Why did I say special? It's literally just French toast, I promise. And then fruit. And yeah, we're by the fire right now. It's really pretty out.
He said no.
Hit your pipe. So we are at the beach now. And they took our chips. Ooh. Hi guys, so update. I keep forgetting to vlog, and this vlog really sucked. I can't really say too much about it because, you know. Okay, so anyway, we're back at the house. We ordered some pizza and we're just chilling. Our friends are playing like beer pong inside and stuff. And me and Eli are doing a little fire outside. I'll show you that right now. Okay, so this is our little setup we got going on. Eli's fucking playing with fire. Stop it! We brought out some s'mores so we can do a little bit later. And yeah, we're just chilling, relaxing. And as usual, I forgot to end the vlog. But anyways, I'll be inserting some pictures that I took at the beach. Hope you enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your support, and I hope you come back and subscribe.
1, 2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you. Dream of you.